نايم
فيها ولا ما فيها؟
روح روح يا حبيب روح.
Assalamualaikum everybody, how you guys doing? Apa khabar semua? So hari ni, today I'm gonna go pick up a car that belongs to a friend, a team member. So the car is going to be towed from Azafurin in Sri Kemangan, and we're gonna tow the car to Sunway LSF to install some interesting product. So if you guys want to know what it is, stay tuned, keep on watching. Alright, so we are here in Full Rain Design. Let's check it out. Boom. Check it out, guys. This is the 186 that we're talking about. This car belongs to Uncle Jet.
Oh, cantik.
Cantik.
Bagus.
Bagus.
Pak ni.
Cantik ha?
Bagus.
Uncle Jet. Full Rain Design. Okay, we are here in LSF Auto Works in Sunway. We got bro Zasso here.
What's up?
Zasso.
What's up?
Yeah, so Uncle Jet's car safely arrived here in LSF. We're gonna do installation for the secret weapon, which you guys will see shortly. You wanna know what the secret weapon is? You really wanna know? You really wanna know what it is? Check this out. That is the secret weapon. So Uncle Jet will be installing this nose kit in his Speedy Gonzalez 180SX. We already got the bung welded on this integral piping, titanium, and we'll see if everything can be installed today for the nose kit. Let's check it out. This Uncle Jet's car is also filled with titanium stuff, integral piping. Even the coil plate is titanium. One of the most cleanest engine bay for a drift car. The nose bottle. Very clean, nice and neat. OMP HTER racing seat. So the nose is going to be located right there. It's running a TTI sequential gearbox. Check out the dash, man. Really clean Alcantara fabric. Running a HKS GT3 Turbo Smart 50mm wastegate. 20 coils. It's running a Lynx ECU Fury G4 Plus Fury. So the reason of adding nitrous is to get more low-end response, especially on third gear. This is mainly for tandem when you're chasing a car and they're trying to stick to the same gear. definitely going to help you out. We're spending 50 short NOS for this setup. You can see the fuel system is running a twin 044 Bosch with a custom search tank with another 044 feeding the search tank. Cooling system radiator is located at the back with these two electric fan, 14-inch electric fan. It's running DK knuckle suspension, control arm, front and rear drop knuckle. Check it out. I bet this car is going to be very light. The last time I think he weighed the car, this car is about 1,180 kilograms. I'm not sure how much is it in pounds, you guys can just do your math. But yeah, in kilograms it's 1,180 kilograms. That's before he cutting off the rear. So what you see behind is completely fiber. Even the trunk lid is fiber now. The whole rear end is fiber. This thing is fiber now. The doors are fiber. So I'm guessing that's easily another 50 kilo or maybe more. So the idea is to get 1,100 kilo, or the lesser the better. And that's dry weight, that's without the driver. So guys, there you have it, Uncle Jet's car. Hopefully we have time to get this car on dyno and film it and put it in the channel. If not, it should be on the second episode. Till then, bedaging. Meteor. See you guys. Stay tuned for part 2, guys. Until then, check this video out. Me driving Uncle Jet's car in OIDC 2020. Enjoy, guys.
الماليزي محمد بن حمدان بولزاي اللي راح يكون في الليد بوزيشن، وايضا سيباستيان فونتين راح يكون في التشيت بوزيشن. عاده وكلاكيت ثاني مره بولزاي فونتين.
والليد الان من بولزاي in 3 2 1 جو. روح عليه ورا بالباب يا سباستيان، بالباب. اوه لا 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 لا، ما خليه باب بالباب.
هذا اللي يسمونه
واحدة بواحدة. رن رايح آخر يا جمهور.
We just got a fresh item. Let's check it out what it is. Unboxing.